Hey, what's up guys? I am Master Shogar Batista and welcome back to another brand new video. Today's video is going to be a very exciting one because in this video I am going to show you how easily you can create amazing t-shirt with the power of AI. Yes, you heard that right. With the power of AI, easily and quickly you can design amazing t-shirts that sells really well in print-on-demand platforms like Merch by Amazon, Teespring, Redbubble, Viral Style, Printful, and so on. Very excited, right? Now, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. But before that, if you are new to my channel, then like this video and subscribe this channel to watch more upcoming videos like this one. Now, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. To design t-shirt with the power of intelligence, in this video we will use an online tool which is called Kittl. Just simply open up your browser and in browser URL type msbdigital.com/Kittl, then hit enter. And yes, now we are in Kittl official website. With this online tool, we will get instant access of tons of stunning illustrations, font, photos, icon and textures. If I scroll down here, you can see AI powered design tool and mockups are available in this online tool. Advanced text editing features are also available in this online Kittl editor. If you want to design this text-based design with Photoshop and Illustrator, this will kill your time a lot, but with the Kittl tool, easily we can add advanced text editing features in our t-shirt design. Magic recoloring option and tons of templates. Pre-made templates are available. If I hover over the mouse on templates and if I select t-shirts, then just look at this. Tons of amazing t-shirt designs, t-shirt templates are available right here. You can use any of them and all of these designs are 100% customizable. Few of them are premium and few of them are completely free. If I click on plans, then here you can see free plan is also available. In the Pro plan, all premium templates will be unlocked for you. Also, you can use Kittl AI 100 credits per month. But for free account, you will get 15 credits for single use. I already have an account, that's why I just simply click on sign in. And now I am going to log in my account. We just successfully logged in our Kittl account. This time, I just simply create a new project by clicking on this new project, this button. Now we need to set artboard size. I have set the size at pixel and now I set width 4500 pixel by 5400 pixel. Alright, now I hit on create. Now on the left here you can see a bunch of different options. Now from templates, here you can see a bunch of different templates are available. From this drop down, I just choose t-shirts. Alright, you can select any template you want. Lots of templates are available. And as I said before, these templates are 100% customizable. Now in search box, I just simply type retro art. And now here you can see a bunch of different templates. This time, let's say I choose this one, open space strip, this template. Now let's say this time we want to customize this template. I just change the text out of the box Now to decrease the font size, from the right panel, I just decrease the value. Alright. And now at this moment, I just simply delete this object. And from Kittl AI, I just search for a pizza, and this time I choose the style vector style, vector art, and now I hit on generate image. And at this time I just change this text from trip to pizza. Alright. Of course you can change the text style from this drop down, but this time I don't change the font style. I just decrease the text size a little bit. Okay. And this is our pizza. We just increase the size a little bit. Little bit more. And now I set it right here. Alright. Now I change the pizza color. Now I set pizza color red. Awesome, right? This time let's say type a pizza with cheese. Now let's see what type of vector image Kittl AI generate for us. Awesome. I pick this one. I just delete this and increase this size. Awesome, awesome. This one looks perfect. Now to change this object color, I just click on this color, and this time let's say I choose red one or this one. Select your preferred color. Let's try with the dark green. I think red is perfect. Alright. And for this out of the text box, for this text, I just select, change the color from red to green. And for the color pizza, I choose the green color again. Awesome. Look how easily we have completed our pizza based design. Actually, with your creativity using Kittl AI, you can create much more amazing t-shirt just like this one.